girl, welcome back to the channel. We're going strong with Vlogmas, aren't we? It's only day 3, so I don't want to jinx things, but if you missed the first 2 videos, I will put them in a playlist for your convenience over here or there. It's gonna be linked down below, girl. The video that you're about to see was actually filmed back in August. I know. You know, the good thing about doing Vlogmas is that I can actually upload all of the videos that I've been sitting on all year. Just sitting on my hard drive, collecting dust for absolutely no reason. What is the reason, Jen? What is the reason? You will see in that video that my hair wasn't even dyed yet. Matter of fact, it was the weekend that I got my hair dyed. Today's vlog is going to be interesting because I am getting my hair colored. Never done this before. I'm going to Toronto and it's kind of like a little self-care, alone time, Jen's time weekend. I'm gonna take you along with me and I hope that you enjoy. And it's like probably midnight right now. I'm flying out tomorrow at 8 o'clock, so I need to pack up and go to sleep. I'm showing you what I'm packing. First thing first, life of a content creator. I can't go anywhere without the crew. I have my wallet, my iPad, eye drops. Literally, I'm bringing like 2 outfits. The one that I'm flying with and the one that I'm going to wear the next day. And then pajamas. I haven't figured out which shoes I'm going to wear. This is the first option. This is the second option. I think I'm gonna go with the black one just because I feel like it'll go with everything, especially with the outfit that I'm wearing. The other interesting part is packing beauty products. This is where it becomes difficult. Skincare, I actually have these little containers, so I'm going to fill them so that, you know, the TSA police doesn't come for me. And then I'm also bringing hair products, but I can't bring the whole bottle, so I'm going to put them in here because I do plan on washing my hair. For makeup, I'm keeping it super easy and simple, so I'm basically bringing the Merit line just because it's very minimalist and I don't need to put on a lot of makeup. So let's pack all of this up. We're done. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I am at the airport and I have about half an hour to kill, so I'm just kind of sitting here. I should probably do some work, answer some emails or whatever, but early in the morning, you know, it's like 7:30 right now. Yeah, we're on our way to Toronto, girl. I'm so excited to get my hair done. I've never had color before. Just this weekend is going to be really good for me because I've had a really rough couple of weeks. I did not eat yet and I don't want to because I want to have like a nice shishi breakfast in Toronto. This is my weekend, okay? It's my weekend. I am taking full advantage. I want to have a nice breakfast. I don't know where I'm gonna go yet when I get to Toronto, but you know, I'll figure something out. I don't know if you can hear me. It's probably super loud. Downtown Toronto and I am starving, girl. I thought I was going to die. Turns out mostly everything is closed because it's a Saturday. Did not think about that, but I found this nice little poke bowl place, and it's actually funny because it's right across the street from a pizza place, and I didn't want to get pizza, but I was like, you know what, I'll get pizza before I die out here. I went into the pizza place, placed my order, and as he was preparing it, I turned around and saw this poke bowl place, and I was like, you know what, Jesus, I hear you, sir. So I got myself this salmon bowl. I'll show you, it looks really good. Sir, don't you see I'm trying to film a video? Rude. It looks very healthy, exactly what I wanted. And we also got this drink. I have no idea what's in it. Is that peach? We've made it to the hotel. Self-care weekend is just starting. It's just me here. It's peaceful, it's quiet. It's not as luxurious as I imagined because this is supposed to be like a luxurious hotel and the price is very luxurious. However, it's simple. I'll show you. So this is it when you walk in. You have, I think this is a closet. This is a closet over here. No idea what this is for. Oh, to hang clothes? Okay. Over here's the bathroom. Straightforward, isn't it? We have towels, we have bathroom, a shower. Simple shower. Let's see what we have over here. Do you think this conditioner will work for my hair? Or maybe this shampoo? I wouldn't trust it for my natural hair. And this is the room. It's a king size bed. The mattress is quite comfortable. It's the only good thing here. Kidding. There is this very outdated looking thing, but I don't know, I guess this is luxurious. Not sure. And there's a little sitting area. Probably won't be using this because I will likely just work from the bed. Nice view outside, right in the heart of Toronto, right in the heart of the city. And this is it. This is what cost me a fortune. Between you and I kind of just want to take a nap, you know, go to bed. I don't remember the last time I took a nice nap during the day, uninterrupted, most importantly. Oh, this is gonna be good. Hello. Oh, girl, it's been a few hours since we last talked. And I had such a great nap. The bed is delicious. The pillows, delicious. I want to know where they got these pillows from because it's like putting your head on a cloud. You hear me? I see why I paid so much money. Booked myself a nice dinner for one, but before that, let's take our pictures, let's wash our hair, let's put on our makeup, and you know, date Jen. It's been such a long time since we did this. Listen, I know you're watching this and you're like, I need a vacation. Whew. Sis, you don't realize you need a vacation until you take a moment for yourself. And obviously I'm not far away from home, but I'm gonna do this like in Ottawa once in a while, you know? I work hard and I never take time for myself. I deserve this. I am also going to pretend to use some of these bottles, but we all know I'm lying because I think one of these is like $10. Like this is $10. Are you serious? That luxury life, I want it, but I don't know if I'll ever be okay with it. But we'll like play around with these bottles. I don't know, do something like cute. And I'm not wearing any makeup or anything because frankly, I don't want to. I don't want to pretend too much, okay? I hate pretending on the internet. Okay, y'all, I just have to show you this, okay? I was laughing about it in my stories, and I gotta show you. So, do you see this pricing? Pringles, $5. M&M's, every time I say it, $10. Chocolate chip cookies, $10. Grey Goose, $38. And let me show you what we talk about. This is the $5 Pringles, okay? Can't make this up. This is $10 for M&M's. What? I want this life of luxury, but I will never ever pay $38 for this ever in my life. I will never feel comfortable doing this even if I had it. We are going to put this right back. Anyways, I'm done cracking jokes. I will be right back when I wash my hair. And it's so interesting because I'm literally just going to shampoo, condition, and use a little leave-in conditioner. That's it. It's crazy to me. And yes, I brought everything that I need because girl, the little shampoos and conditioner that they give you, I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, girl. I look amazing. I don't know how I can show you the full outfit, but the top is actually from Dynamite. Jeans are also from Dynamite. Very unintentional. And look at these boots. Oh, wait a minute, girl. I have to show you the boots. Ooh, look at this. You see this? Okay. Okay. We're just going to head out to dinner. We found a nice big mirror for the outfit. Boots, Nordstrom. We love the boots, okay? They're really giving. They basically made the outfit. And this little makeup bag, it's actually a makeup bag. It came in my order from Merit. I'm sorry, the lighting is not the greatest. You get the vibe, right? It's better here actually, but you can't see the full outfit. You can't see the shoes, Y'all, let me tell you something about these pillows. These pillows, they're like a cloud of just happiness. I need to know where these pillows are from because I need them. This bed is everything. I don't know what it's made of, but it's hugging the curves like almost better than Bay. Self-care weekend is coming to an end, at least the hotel portion, and it makes me sad. This was so needed. I'm gonna say it again. If you haven't done something like that for yourself in a while, girl, this is your sign from the universe to do it, okay? Book a hotel in your area. Spend time with yourself. All right, let's shower.
There's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time. I'm on a high.
I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I had the chance to experience a luxury hotel. As you saw in the bedding and the pillows, I still dream about them. One thing that I did notice though is that I felt a little out of place. Without getting too deep in this outro, there weren't many black people at the hotel, especially not anyone with natural hair. So I definitely felt a little out of place, but it actually fueled me to wear my natural hair proudly. So that's what I did, girl. I slayed. Be the change that you want to see. That's what they say. So I made sure to wear my natural hair, and I will continue to wear my natural hair in these luxury spaces. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate it. Check out my Patreon. I will put the link down below where we have all type of deep conversation like this one, you know, natural hair and luxury. And if you want to see my videos before anybody else, be sure to check out my Patreon. The link will be down below, and I will see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.